these pulled pork croissants. We're going to start by unrolling some of these Pillsbury croissant rolls. Yes, these things are a pain in the arse. Once you get those opened up and peeled apart, we're going to fill it up with a little bit of pulled pork, kind of lay it out nicely in a pile. Then we're going to season it up. I'm using 1908 BBQ's Megaton. Now we're going to hit it with a little sauce. This one here is Motley Que Sticky Fixx, best sauce on the market. Now we're going to hit it with a handful of grated cheese. And you can watch me struggle trying to roll this thing up. One thing I learned is if you roll that first corner in, the one that I'm struggling with right now, you can do this a lot easier. Now that they're all rolled up, we're going to give them a little dose of butter because butter makes everything better. Now that they're all brushed up, we're going to give it another little dash of seasoning. Same seasoning I use on the pork. We're going to bake at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes until you get that nice golden brown and they're cooked all the way through. Now take a look at that. Golden perfection from